What do you want? What's this? Bruno is one of the most untamed birds I've ever met. You could say mean if you wanted to, because he'd like to attack and rip my face off. However, I have never met a bird this untamed that wants to eat your breakfast sandwich. And he will eat my breakfast sandwich as long as I hold it up here. Bruno's 20 years old. Can he be tamed? Probably not. He is going to his new home. He's going to his new home tomorrow. Hey, Bruno. Hey, Bruno. It's kind of hard for me not to want to share my sandwich with him because he enjoys it so